1. We present you an excellent opportunity to purchase a stylish and reliable 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass for only $6,000. This magnificent car, equipped with an original and unmodified Rocket 352 bull engine, is an excellent choice for connoisseurs of classic cars. This 1972 Cutlass has a unique style thanks to the details from 442. The beautiful red exterior gives it an elegant look that attracts attention on the road. The automatic transmission provides ease of operation and comfort during trips. Although the car is not starting right now, it probably just needs minor repairs, such as replacing the coil and spark plug wires. Preserved original front bench seats of historical times complement the atmosphere of the old school. This Oldsmobile Cutlass is a car that has remained true to its roots and offers reliability and style for true classic lovers. One of the special advantages is the fact that it has only one owner, which gives it uniqueness and historical value. Don't miss your chance to purchase this magnificent car and add it to your collection. 2. We present you the opportunity to purchase a beautiful 1967 MG Midget for just $6,900. This magnificent car, having traveled 34,000 miles, is ready to meet its new owner and give driving pleasure. This MG Midget is presented in an attractive blue color with a black interior, which creates a stylish and classic look. The manual transmission ensures true driving and adds a touch of sportiness. The car is in excellent technical condition with a rebuilt transmission and wire wheels, which gives it a unique charm. It is important to note that the car has no signs of significant damage and problems, and it also has a clean title, which makes it a safe and reliable choice. Although the actual number of miles is unknown due to the features of the title, this MG Midget promises to be a great companion for those who appreciate vintage cars and want to enjoy authentic driving. Don't miss the opportunity to purchase this beautiful car and add it to your collection. 3. We present you a unique opportunity to purchase an amazing 1971 Pontiac Grand Prix at a price of only $7,000. This car, which has covered 114,910 miles, is ready to win your hearts with its stylish appearance and powerful 400T engine. Externally, the car appears in an elegant black color, which adds to its mystery and attractiveness. Although it requires bodywork and painting, the interior remains very solid, providing you with a foundation for creative transformation. According to the description from the seller, the car has a small leak of transmission fluid but switches without problems. This gives you the opportunity to take this project into your own hands and give it a new life. Although there was a mistake in the name in the video, it is important to note that this is a Pontiac Grand Prix with a 400T engine. This car will be an excellent choice for those who are willing to put a little effort into its restoration and bring it into perfect condition. Don't miss your chance to become the owner of this potentially magnificent car. 4. You have a unique opportunity to purchase a restored 1978 MG MGB in perfect condition for just $8,999. This magnificent car, which has covered 55,000 miles, is a real masterpiece with a bright red body color and a stylish black interior. The seller claims that the car has been completely restored, with the elimination of minor defects that do not affect its mechanical part. This MG MGB not only looks amazing, but also works and drives great. A completely new electrical wiring installed in the Avenue Garage Auto Repair Shop in Port Charlotte guarantees the reliability and safety of your trips. This car has a unique style and character inherent in MG MGB. If you have dreamed of a vintage car that attracts attention with its appearance and provides a reliable ride, then this restored MG MGB is your ideal choice. Do not miss the opportunity to become the owner of this beautiful car. 5. You have a unique opportunity to purchase a stylish and reliable 1965 Ford Fairlane 500 for just $7,000. This magnificent car belonged to one owner and drove with reliability and style throughout its 65,000 miles. An attractive appearance in a turquoise blue color and a corresponding interior create a unique look of this Ford Fairlane 500. The automatic transmission, paired with a powerful 289 kV V8, ensures smooth and efficient movement. The seller claims that the car is in excellent technical condition, and it has no serious damage or problems. This Ford Fairlane 500 is ready for new adventures, and you can become its next happy owner. Don't miss the opportunity to purchase this iconic car that combines reliability, style, and history. Make your choice in favor of the 1965 Ford Fairlane 500, and it will become a reliable companion in your future road adventures. 6. You have a unique opportunity to purchase a stylish and distinctive 1951 Kaiser 4-door Sedan for just $8,000. This amazing car is ready to transform your collection or become a reliable companion on the roads. The continuity of time is felt in every detail of this Kaiser sedan, which has driven 63,000 original miles. The fascinating green color creates an atmosphere of comfort and style. The automatic transmission ensures smooth and comfortable driving. The seller emphasizes that the car has already passed the work on the brake system, including the installation of a new master cylinder. It currently needs battery charging, positive grounded, and a small addition of air in the tires. With so little effort and care, this Kaiser sedan will be ready for new adventures. This car provides a unique opportunity to experience the atmosphere of the past years, combining the original style and history. 7. For $5,000, you can purchase a magnificent 1978 Lincoln Continental Towncar, which currently has little wear and normal traces of use. This car, with a mileage of just over 85,000 miles, is a real godsend for lovers of restoration of classic cars. This Towncar, owned by 2 owners, is a true example of style and elegance. The green exterior blends harmoniously with the green interior, creating a unique look. The 460 V8 engine provides excellent performance and reliability. The car starts and works properly, which makes it an ideal option for those who are ready to restore the classic beauty of this Lincoln Continental. The seller notes that the reason for the sale was the lack of storage space and insufficient time for daily use. Don't miss your chance to become the owner of this 1978 Lincoln Continental Towncar, which will undoubtedly attract the attention of any connoisseur of classic cars. 8. For the price of $3,950, you can purchase a 1978 Ford Crown Victoria, which is currently in good working condition. This car, having traveled 200,011 miles, continues to move successfully on the roads. The 1978 Ford Crown Vic LTD with V8 engine provides you with a reliable option for your daily commute. The blue exterior and gray interior give it a stylish and classic look. The automatic transmission provides convenient control, making your every journey comfortable. The seller emphasizes that the car has no serious problems and provides a sales receipt. It is important to note that in the state of Georgia, the registration of cars manufactured before 1986 does not require the presence of a title. Don't miss the chance to purchase this car and enjoy the style and performance of a classic American car. 9. We offer you a unique offer. 1984 Oldsmobile 88, available at a price of only $6,500. This car, with an incredibly low mileage of 68,000 miles, is in excellent condition and is a rare Delta 88 coupe. Since its release, it has had only 1 owner. Let's take a closer look at this car. No rust, dents, and cracks on the headlights and taillights. The original assembly of the grille gives it a unique look, preserving authenticity from the moment of production. The interior, rated 6 stars out of 10, emphasizes the good condition of the cabin. The Oldsmobile 88 is not just a car, it's part of history. With the original blue title, no problems with payment, and the only owner in its entire history, this car provides a unique opportunity to purchase not just a vehicle, but a historical heritage. 10. We present to your attention a unique opportunity to purchase a 1980 Fiat Spider, available at a price of $7,900. This Pininfarina Spider 2000 is a rare variant with an automatic transmission. Since its release, it has traveled a little, only 70,746 miles. This car has an attractive appearance with red paint, although there are several defects characteristic of cars of her age. The interior is in good condition, the seats are in order, but a small repair of the center console is required. Original dashboard with working instruments. This Fiat Spider is equipped with an original transmission and drive system, and according to the title, has traveled only 70,746 miles. The car starts easily, moves confidently on the road and brakes without problems. This is a great option for those who are looking for a reliable and stylish cruise ship.